Remote control allows you to manage Claude Code from your phone or any browser. It is designed for situations where you are away from your computer but still want to stay connected to your workflow. You can use it to monitor progress, approve actions, provide input, and control running tasks without needing full access to your development environment. From a mobile device, you can view the current status of your session, approve pending actions, respond to prompts, monitor ongoing processes, and cancel operations if needed. However, it is important to understand its limitations. You cannot edit code directly, start complex development sessions, or use the full feature set. It is designed for control and monitoring, not for building or development. To set it up, you initiate remote access from your terminal. This generates a connection method such as a QR code or a secure link. You can scan the code with your phone or open the link in a browser to connect to your session. Once connected, you will see a simplified interface. This includes the current session status, recent activity, pending approvals, and quick action controls. The interface is optimized for mobile use with clear indicators and simple navigation. One of the most powerful use cases is approving actions remotely. For example, when a task involves modifying multiple files, the system can pause and request approval. You receive a notification, review the changes, and approve or reject them directly from your phone. This allows you to continue working even when you are away from your desk. Another important use case is monitoring long-running tasks. You can track progress in real time, view current operations, and identify any issues without needing to stay at your computer. If the system requires additional input, you can provide it directly from your mobile device. This is useful for answering questions, making decisions, or supplying required information during execution. Security is an important consideration. Each session uses a unique connection, communication is encrypted, and access is time limited. You should avoid sharing access links, always review actions before approving, and close sessions when they are no longer needed. Remote control is best used for monitoring, approvals, and quick responses. It is not suitable for detailed development work or deep code review, which require a full interface. The key idea is that it extends your control beyond your workstation. You remain connected to your workflows even when you are not physically present at your computer. In the next section, you will learn how to extend capabilities further by creating skills and building agent teams. See you in the next lecture.